14. Deputy Speaker, imagine if I said to you that I had discovered a one-shot caffeine hit to the Australian economy, a boost that would drive jobs, investment, productivity and real incomes, a boost that would strengthen our best sectors and organisations and create opportunities for growth in massive new markets. Well, Deputy Speaker, that is exactly what good free trade agreements do. And after years of procrastination, we finally have a government that's prepared to get on with negotiating quality free trade agreements. Deputy Speaker, I came into this parliament because I believed that a more open, more outward-looking Australia would be a better Australia. I came into this parliament because I believed that the massive and fast-growing markets to our north offered unprecedented opportunities for Australia. But the previous government had no idea how to realise this potential. Now, Deputy Speaker, Australia is in fact far less open than we often think. Our exports amount to a little over 20% of GDP, and many of our competitors are far ahead of us. The UK at 32%, Korea 57%, Canada 30%, New Zealand 29% and China 27%. But I have seen time and time again in my career prior to entering the parliament how opening up an economy to these sorts of opportunities, the sorts of opportunities that we are looking at in this bill and that we're implementing in this bill, is absolutely transformational. If we look back at Australia's great history, our economic history, the start of our strong economic history began with a trade agreement with the UK for wool, a trade agreement with the UK for wool in the 1830s, and soon after we saw a similar sort of agreement with the UK in gold. After the war, we saw an agreement with the Japanese for coal, and more recently, in the late 60s, we opened up our massive and now extraordinarily beneficial iron ore industry with the Japanese in the late 60s.